Really the purpose of bringing you here this evening and the purpose of this event is very much to raise awareness of the built environment's critical role in restoring and enhancing the natural environment.
The thing is that there are also ways that we could be treating our natural world throughout the sea, the rural areas, the urban areas, that can have a transformative effect and improve things.
Our intent is around identifying, protecting and fostering our native species. It's an important part of Heathrow's plan to enhance the area around the airport for the benefit of everyone who lives there.
It's very important for our mental health, especially people living in cities, to be constantly reminded of the fact that there's wildlife out there. We need to see wild animals and plants on a daily basis around us.
So it's pretty fundamental to our physical, emotional and cultural well-being.